GyftPro AI is a newly released AI software that promises to revolutionize how businesses and individuals handle gift card management and e-commerce. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and tap into the power of artificial intelligence, this is one you'll definitely want to check out. In this video, we'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about GyftPro AI, including what makes it stand out from other solutions and whether it's worth your time. Stick around till the end, because I've got a special bonus for you that could save you a lot of time and money. First off, what exactly is GyftPro AI? This software is designed to automate and simplify the process of managing gift card campaigns, gift card distribution, and promotions for businesses. Whether you're a small e-commerce store or a large company, GyftPro AI helps optimize your gift card operations, saving you time and boosting customer engagement. One of the standout features of GyftPro AI is its advanced AI-powered personalization. It uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze your customer data and behavior, then customizes gift card offers to each individual. This level of personalization increases conversion rates, which is huge for any business looking to maximize sales without extra effort. Another key feature is its integration capabilities. GyftPro AI seamlessly connects with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and others, making it easy to incorporate into your existing system. You won't need to worry about a complicated setup process or losing time switching between tools. But what really sets GyftPro AI apart is its predictive analytics. This tool doesn't just automate processes, it actively predicts which customers are most likely to redeem gift cards, allowing you to target the right audience at the right time. This is game-changing for marketers who want to refine their strategies and drive sales more effectively. Now let's talk about the interface. GyftPro AI boasts a user-friendly dashboard that makes managing campaigns easy, even for those with little technical experience. Whether you're tracking the performance of a gift card promotion or reviewing customer interactions, everything is laid out clearly so you won't get lost in a sea of data. In terms of security, GyftPro AI takes your data seriously. The platform uses top-tier encryption and security protocols to protect both your business and customer information. This ensures that all transactions and data transfers are safe, which is especially crucial if you're dealing with sensitive financial information. What about pricing? GyftPro AI offers a completely free trial, so you can test it out risk-free and see if it's a good fit for your business. If you decide to keep using it, the pricing structure is competitive, with various packages depending on your business needs. For those with larger operations, there are enterprise-level solutions available as well. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. GyftPro AI provides excellent support with a dedicated team available to help you navigate any issues you might face. Whether you're new to AI tools or a seasoned pro, their customer service ensures that you won't be left in the dark. To recap, GyftPro AI is a powerful tool for businesses looking to automate and optimize their gift card promotions and sales. It offers AI-powered personalization, seamless integrations, predictive analytics, an intuitive interface, top-notch security, and excellent support. And the best part? You can try it for free from the first link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I found that GyftPro AI stands out for its unique features and ease of use. If you're ready to streamline your gift card process and boost customer engagement, this is definitely worth trying. I've also left links to some of my other recommended AI software in the description below. After experimenting with so many tools, these are the ones I believe will truly make a difference for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out those free trials.